Today we are working on lesson 2 in chapter 12, and the focus is going to be on place value today. So we're going to be working on using a place value chart to show numbers to 40 and also showing objects to 40 as tens and ones. Okay, I set up a problem for us to do as practice. It says Ben has 28 stickers. Mia has 35 stickers. We're going to be using the place value charts with tens and ones to show the value that each of them has in their stickers. And then we're going to be filling in the blanks on the sentences at the bottom. Now, the very first thing that I did is I found some objects that I could use to count out the number of tens and ones for each of the kids' amounts of stickers. So I did not have base 10 blocks at home. I'm using craft sticks as tens, and I'm using these little pebbles as ones. So you could go out in your yard even and find little sticks about this size to be your tens, and you can use beads or maybe even little Legos, whatever you can find to use as your tens and your ones. You just want to make sure that they're approximately the same size so they don't get confusing. Okay, so the first one is Ben has 28 stickers. So we're going to show our 28 stickers right here. So we're going to count by tens first. 10, 20, and then we're going to continue counting by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, now we are going to head on over to our base 10 chart, our place value chart, and we're going to represent Ben's stickers on the chart. So we're going to start in the tens place. We had 2 tens, so I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 tens, 10, 20. Then I'm going to continue and draw my ones. Okay, notice that I drew my tens approximately the same size and my ones a little bit apart from each other but in straight rows so that it's easier to count. Now the question at the bottom says 20 and blank make 28. So let's take a look back at our chart. 20, 10, 20. We have 2 tens. The value is 20. So that's taken care of for us. Now we need to know how many ones there are that go with 20 to make 28. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be 20 and 8 make 28. If we were to think back to calendar time, we would do expanded form as an equation. So we take our value of our tens, which is 20. Let's see if I can get that in the picture. 20 plus the value of our ones. If we have 8 ones, it is worth 8. 20 plus 8 equals 28. That would be your expanded form. All right, let's take a look now at Mia's stickers. So over here, I have the tens and I have the ones. So let's take a look at our tens. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So now we're going to take a look over here at our place value chart. And in the tens place, I had 3 tens. So I'm going to draw my 3 tens. And I have 5 ones. Okay, 3 tens and 5 ones. At the bottom, I have blank and blank make 35. So I'm going to take a look at my tens place and see what the value is. I see that there are 3 10s, but I would not say that 3 and 5 make 35. It's 3 10s and 5 1s. 3 10s is worth 10, 20, 30. So that will be 30. And then we count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 and 5 make 35. If we were to write our expanded form, we would write 30 plus 5 equals 35. We took our value of our 10s, which is 30, plus the value of our 1s, which is 5, and that makes 35. All right, I want you to go out today and I want you to find some materials. You can practice building some numbers by writing the 10s and the 1s and by showing the 10s and the 1s with your manipulatives that you find. Have an awesome day, everybody. Bye.